we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find.
Alright, so today is July 15th, 2023, and it's been roughly 4 months since I had a retwist. You can see all of my grays and everything, but my hair is in 2 pigtails, and I'm here at the shop. My sister is getting her locks done right now. She's getting her wash, and I'm just gonna take my hair out of these. We decided, my sister and I decided not to get a hairstyle this time because we just want to give our hair a break. I've had 3 locks to fall out. You guys know ever since I got that pineapple hairstyle, I've been having problems with my locks coming out. I had a pineapple style. All around the perimeter, my locks fell out, and I got them reattached in November. They fell out again, and I got them reattached in March of this year, 23. And this time only 3 fell out, but the very first time I had like 9 locks to fall out of my head, and every time I go back it's less and less. So my next retwist, we're hoping that I don't have any to fall out of my head. This is what my hair is looking like. I mean, of course it's molded into the shape of the pigtails. Yeah, I'm not getting a style this time. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Pristiny, and you can find content over locks, lifestyle, and vlogs. I just started a second YouTube channel. I combined or moved all of my pink beauty, girly fashion, and princess lifestyle content over to that channel. So if you're interested in all things pink, beauty, girly fashion, and just seeing my princess core aesthetic lifestyle, I will leave that channel down in the description box. Go subscribe. Look at all the air. Ooh. Transformations are coming soon. Alright, so here we are in a sad situation. I am currently holding 3 of my locks that have fell out of my head. But you know what? It's alright. We're going to get those reattached. And I don't know what I had going on here, but we're going to get those locks reattached and put back into my head. It's just that tight pineapple style. Alright, about to get into the shampoo bowl. I decided on a side part. Oh my god, this is about to be a transformation. Look at this. Alright, so now we're moving on to the wash in the shampoo bowl. She's just giving me a good rinse, and she's going to follow up with this charcoal shampoo, and it feels so good. It has like this tingling feel. I love peppermint or anything like charcoal with that cooling feeling on your scalp. It feels amazing, and you can see how much my hair has grown out. It has been 4 months. March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, it's been 4 months since my retwist. The last retwist that you guys seen was March of 2023, and this is July 15th of 2023. And yeah, you can see the shampoo right here. It's black and it's like this charcoal. Look at all this new growth that I have. So my hair is very, very curly. My hair likes to curl up, so my shrinkage is very, very real. So when you see, when I get this retwist, I'm going to have so much length. Like, I was so shocked at how much my hair has grown. Every time I get a retwist, I'm like, oh my gosh, like my hair is growing so fast. Like ever since I've had locks, the growth has been serious. So yeah, as you can see, we're out of the shampoo bowl and she's just separating my hair. This is the very first time that I'm going to get the locksmithing method on my hair. As you can see, my hair in this video is about a year and 9 months old or locked. I got my locks in October of 2021. So she's going to practice the locksmithing method on my hair because my hair, even after a year, it's still not completely locked. It's locking, but as you can see, I have so much frizz. So this is the way that you do it. When you're doing the locksmithing method, you're going to kind of like retwist all the way down. Like, of course you retwist the roots, but you're going to take the product and you're just going to retwist it down. As you can see in this clip, she's moving all the way down, but she's kind of leaving the ends of my hair alone because we're just going to let those lock up. And in this clip, this is one of the locks that fell out that I was holding in the beginning of the video. As you can see in this clip, oh my god, so sad, but she's gonna get me right. She always gets me right. I'm sick of these locks falling out, but I haven't had any more to fall out. They're starting to stay. Like, I think I only had 1 or 2 to fall out this time, but yeah, this pineapple style will not be in my head anymore. We're just gonna chill on that. But yeah, as you can see, she's gripping my roots and she's going to retwist, and this is her taking it and she's going all the way down until where she feels like needs to be locksmithed. But yes, here is another view of the locksmithing method on this lock. And with locksmithing, what it basically does is, if your hair is frizzy, like you know, in the beginning of your loc journey, you are going to have some frizz, but over time it does go away. But if you want to minimize that frizz and kind of control it, then the locksmithing method would be a great option. Some people like to embrace the frizz, in which I did. Earlier in my loc journey, I completely embraced the frizz. Like, my hair was a complete frizz ball if you would refer back to some of my old videos. But I'm at the point in my loc journey where I want to minimize that frizz because my locks are mostly at that teenage phase now. So in October of this year, my locks will officially be 2 years old. Yay! I can't believe time has moved so fast. My locks are growing crazy, but yeah, we're just minimizing this frizz. And in this clip here, you can see that this lock is kind of like breaking and thinning off because, once again, it is from the pineapple style because it's on my edges, and she's just reattaching it with the crochet needle the way that she installed. My Instant Locs were done, and yeah, you would just kind of like poke at it and you would twirl it a little bit around your fingers and it completely fixes the lock. Yes, so right here, if you can see, like the whole top of my head right here, I have no idea what's going on. She's looking like, where does this lock go? But this is a disaster up there. So right here, again, just like the left side of my head, right above my ear is where the locks decide to always pop off, and she's repeating the same method on the other side. She's using the crochet needle and she's sliding lightly twirling it around her fingers while stabbing it with the needle, and it forms the lock back into place. That looks just like it's brand new. But yeah, she's literally just reattaching my own locks. She's not putting any type of extensions or added hair. She's literally just reattaching my locks and fixing the parts that's like pulling and like straining and thinning out. And like literally that's all you do. I'm really excited about this locksmithing method because look, you see how it minimizes the frizz. She didn't go all the way down because I didn't really need it. And this lock right here, it's right above the other one. She's just basically combing that one out because she's just fixing it. I don't know what's going on with my edges. I decided to like add some locks, random locks into my hair and like put some 2-strand twists, but she fixed those and just completely combed those out, so those don't even matter anymore. But look, oh my gosh, y'all, do you see this length? We are halfway done with my head and my hair looks so good. Like the grid is amazing, like parts are clean. My hair is literally down my back. Like yes, almost 2 years in. Oh my gosh. So yep, here is one more clip of the locksmithing method. She's just basically going halfway down because you don't really need to do the ends. The ends are gonna just lock up on their own. I mostly have frizz like in the middle of my hair and she's fixing that. So we are almost done. She only has a couple more on the other side of my head and my hair looks so amazing. And voila, here are the results. I did mention that I was going with a side part, so as you can see, this is the side part that I decided to go with because I love for my hair to fall over on the right side of my face. Oh my gosh, do y'all see this retwist? This is the very first time that I got a retwist and actually didn't get a style. Like I said, from now on, the retwist that I'm going to get, I will not be getting a hairstyle because I want to give my hair a break. No braids, no twists, no ponytails, no nothing. Like I literally just want to get wash, retwist, and like let my hair hang down because it does kind of manipulate your hair, and I don't want any type of like tight anything on my hair. So my locks just look amazing. I'm doing this little shape because I'm like, is this all me? Like, look at this length, y'all. Oh my gosh, we are almost 2 years in the game. I'm so amazed by this. Like, when I get my next retwist, I don't even know what to say. But this looks good. I think this is going to be my new thing. This is a good view of my grid pattern right here. Doing a little shaky shake. I'm thinking about getting some, what are they called? Loc sprinkles. Let me know if y'all think that would look cute. I don't know. Like, I think I want to get like them probably like highlights from like the roots to the tips, or maybe should I just get them at the ends? But it depends. I don't know. I want to get like some gold lock sprinkles. I think they'll be really cute. And this is how my hair turned out. I'm just doing a side-by-side comparison of like 2 different angles. I recorded one when I was at home in front of my vanity and the other in the shop. This side part is really giving. I don't even think a middle part would be giving the same as this, but this is so cute. But yes, more lock videos will be coming soon. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social medias, all that good stuff. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.